Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data on your laptop. Effectively managing your digital information is crucial for productivity and security. We will explore various storage methods, from your laptop's internal drive to powerful cloud services. You will learn how to organize your files efficiently, ensuring easy access and preventing clutter. This guide aims to provide you with practical strategies to handle your data like a pro. When managing local files, a structured approach is key. Create a clear folder hierarchy, perhaps with main categories like documents, photos, and projects. Name your files descriptively, including dates or versions, for example, Project Report January 2025 Final. Remember to back up your critical local data to an external drive or another secure location at least once a week to prevent loss. Cloud storage offers incredible flexibility and accessibility. Services like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox provide gigabytes of free storage, often 15 gigabytes or more. Select a provider that fits your needs, then set up automatic synchronization so your files are always up to date across all your devices. This also makes sharing documents with colleagues or friends incredibly simple and secure, enhancing collaborative efforts significantly. Protecting your data is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. For highly sensitive information, consider encrypting files or entire drives. Many operating systems offer built-in encryption tools. Finally, establish a robust backup strategy, perhaps using the 3-2-1 rule, 3 copies of your data on 2 different media with 1 copy offsite. This ensures maximum data safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.